Civics, Standard 6th, Chapter number 5, District Administration. Now, what is district administration? District administration means the management of a task of government so far as it lies within an area legally recognized as a district. According to Khera, district administration is a total management of public affairs within this unit. The district is kept under the charge of a district officer called either deputy commissioner or district collector, who acts as the eyes, ears, and arms of the state government. You can see some kids talking among them. The first one is telling, we learnt about the Zilla Parikshad, but there was no mention of the district collector. Means there in that chapter they had not mentioned anything about the district collector. The newspaper always mentioned the district collector in the news. The third one is telling, our teachers will be able to tell us. My Didi says she wants to become a district collector. So we are going to learn something about the district collector in this chapter. So first we are going to move on for the first point. There are 3 points. First one is the district collector. Second is the chief of the district police. The third one is district courts. So, do such questions occur to you too? What questions have been occurred for these 3 kids? The Zilla Parikshad is a part of the rural local government system, that is the Panchayati Raj system. But in Maharashtra, the administration of the district is shared by both the Zilla Parikshad and district collector. The union government and state government both participate in this administration. So now what is district collector? The district collector is the head of the district administration. He is appointed by the state government. He has to perform many functions from collecting agricultural tax to maintaining law and order in the district. We can see what these functions are from the chart given below. Agriculture. Now what he does what? To collect agricultural tax. Then to implement laws relating to agriculture and to provide relief in case of drought and scarcity of fodder. Now laws and order. He established peace in the district, to maintain social harmony, to restrict unlawful assembly and impose curfew if required. During election, the election officer, to ensure smooth conduct of elections, to take necessary decisions related to the electoral process, and to update the voters list. Disaster management, to take quick decisions during times of disaster and prevent or minimize the damage, to give orders to the disaster management units or cells, to rehabilitate those affected by a disaster. The Tahsildar. There is a Tahsildar for every taluka or tehsil. As a judicial officer, he gives judgment to resolve conflicts at the local level. The Tahsildar has the responsibility of maintaining peace and order in the taluka. Now, why is it important to maintain social harmony? The differences of opinion, disputes, and conflicts in the society must be resolved by peaceful means. However, when this does not happen, it gives rise to tensions. So, every time there should be peace. There should be not conflicts or disputes or quarreling or anything. If this leads to violent incidents, it disturbs social harmony. There is no harmony at all. It acts as an obstacle to our progress. Public property is damaged. The district collector makes efforts to prevent such occurrences, but it is the duty of the citizens also to help maintain social harmony. The chief of the district police. In Maharashtra, there is a superintendent of police at every district headquarters. He is the chief police officer of the district. He helps the district collector to maintain peace and order in the district. In the city, the police commissioner has the responsibility of maintaining law and order. District courts. The courts at the district level have to perform the functions of resolving disputes, delivering judgments, and ensuring that conflicts are resolved at the earliest. The Constitution of India has established an independent judiciary. At the apex of that system is the Supreme Court of India. Below this, the lower courts. These include district courts, taluka courts, and revenue courts. Now, the court at the district level is known as the district court. The court at the district level is called what? District court. The district court has a chief district judge and some other judges. Their main function is to hear the various cases in the district and deliver the final judgment. One can appeal against the judgment of the taluka court in the district court. The disaster management. Sometimes we may have to face a calamity. It could be a natural disaster like floods, fire, a cloudburst, cyclone, earthquake, landslide, or problems like riots, bomb blasts, breaking of a dam, epidemics, etc. These disasters lead to a loss of human lives and displacement of people beside tremendous financial loss. Therefore, the issues of rehabilitation becomes important. Disaster management is a process which enables one to face a disaster in a scientific and organized manner. The entire machinery of a district is involved in this process. Advances in technology make it possible for us to get prior information about several kinds of disaster. For example, a system which can predict and warn us of floods or storms have been developed. These helps us to be better prepared to face the disaster. In Maharashtra, many officers have made serious attempts to bring about reforms in the administration. Their experiments have helped to improve the services provided to the citizens. This has helped the citizens to form a favorable opinion about the administration. As a result, their support to the administration and their participation in it has improved a lot. So first one is Luckina Pattern. In order to make the administration efficient and to increase the quality of public services available to the citizens, Sri Anil Kumar Luckina brought about many reforms when he was district collector of Ahmednagar district. These are known as the Luckina pattern. That pattern came to be known from his name. Standardization of work procedures, stating rules in simple language, which could be understood by the people, etc., were the administrative changes he introduced. He also started the single widow system so that jobs that people came to do could be completed under one roof. That is called single window. Second one is Dalvi Pattern. The administrative reforms implemented by Sri Chandrakant Dalvi when he was district collector of Pune district are also known as the Dalvi Pattern. The objective of the reform was to speed up the decision making by ensuring that files were not allowed to stack up and that they were dealt with one the same day that they were received. This pattern is also known as zero pendency pattern. It helped in bringing efficiency and speed into administrative work. The third one is Chahande Pattern. When Dr. Sanjay Chahande was the divisional commissioner of Nasik, he implemented certain reforms which are known as the Chahande Pattern in order to reduce the gap between the people and the administration, to increase the accountability of the administration towards the people, and to prioritize the development work through people's participation. He implemented Gramastha Din, that is Villagers Day. That scheme, okay? He implemented Villagers Day scheme. This is the appointed day when the administrative officials and staff visit a village and establish a dialogue with the people to understand their problems and help them to solve them. So children, here are certain question answers. You have to write it in your notebook and also study them. Thank you.